Eating left side, left pose from left hand side, and the right side. You're going to be doing a lot of this, so take photos of it. So you can see the balance on the foot there. Influence from the inside.
Yang tiga itu nanti kita yang banyak.
Okay, sekarang pandang.
Tandang.
Pandang now. The transition.
Transisi. That's tandang. When you move to another movement, from one agam to one agam, that's called tandang. It's flowing. That's why